Hi everyone, so today we are going to go over what a hydrafacial is, some frequently asked questions about a hydrafacial, and pre and post care instructions as well. So what is a hydrafacial? A hydrafacial is a really deep cleanse of the skin, so we're going to cleanse, peel, and protect. It's not a painful treatment in any way, shape, or form. That's one of the most frequently asked questions is, does the procedure hurt? No, it does not. The Hydrafacial is a high-powered suction machine, so we are going to really get all the dead skin cells off, any dirt, debris, oil, sieve them out of the pores, and then the peel part of it. It's not painful in any way. It's a glycolic and salicylic acid mixture, and you'll just feel a little bit of tingling, and then a little bit later in the treatment we will neutralize that tingling with some water. So you're not going to be tingling the whole time. You might feel a little bit after the treatment, but most of our patients don't. How much downtime is there for a hydrafacial? There's not a lot. You can go on with your day after the hydrafacial. We just want you to stay protected from the sun. And that's something that we'll go over. We will put sunscreen on you after your treatment, and yeah, so you can go out and enjoy your day. So some of the things that you want to discontinue, you want to discontinue the use of any isotretinoin treatment such as Accutane for at least 6 months before your treatment. You also don't want to use any tretinoin, retin-A, any benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid treatments before your hydrafacial. So there isn't a whole lot of downtime. It's really just about what products you're using on your skin and staying out of the sun. No waxing before or after your treatment for at least 48 hours. No chemical peels before or after. You want to wait some time before you do those chemical peels or any laser treatments. Definitely not before your hydrafacial. And then you want to avoid also any excessive sun exposure. No tanning beds. We don't really condone tanning beds around here. It's not the best for your skin. So you don't want to get your hydrafacial and be all clean and bright and radiant and then go kind of ruin it basically by going in a tanning bed. It's not going to do well for your skin at all. Another question is, does the hydrafacial help with acne? It most certainly can help with acne. It helps with a bunch of different things. That's what's great about the hydrafacial machine is that it's very customizable to the patient's needs, to your needs and wants. What are your goals of your skin? What do you want to come out feeling like? What do you want? Do we want those fine lines and wrinkles taken care of? Do we want the acne taken care of? Any pigmentation that might be in your skin? Age spots for sure. And so something that is really going to customize your treatment and kind of focus on your goals, that's where the boosters come in. Boosters are pretty much a very potent serum, and that can stay up into your skin for 3 months. So you get a booster with a deluxe hydrafacial and a platinum hydrafacial. We also have a signature hydrafacial, and that is where you just get the peel and then the rest of the solutions that are in the hydrafacial machine. So another question is, when can I do my Botox and fillers after a hydrafacial? So you can get a hydrafacial before Botox and fillers. You don't have to wait any time. You can get it the same day. You can get your hydrafacial and then go get your Botox or fillers. But after your Botox and fillers, you want to wait at least 2 weeks to get your hydrafacial treatment. And it's not going to really mess up the Botox or filler, so it's just safe to wait. And then for men, a lot of the questions come in like, when do I shave? Can I shave after? Can I shave before? If you want to shave before your hydrafacial treatment, it's not required, but you certainly can. And then if you choose to shave, please shave it at least 3 or 4 hours prior to your treatment. We want to avoid heat, like I said earlier, hot showers, sauna, and like an intense workout. We want to avoid 24 hours after the treatment. Like I said, we will apply sunscreen after your Hydrafacial. So when you go and wash your face later that night, the same day as your treatment, you want to use a gentle cleanser. Nothing too harsh. Like I said, no salicylic, glycolic, anything like that on your skin. It's very exposed. And so you want to wash your face that night, and that's when you'll really feel the effects of a Hydrafacial, because you'll feel how smooth your skin is. And even, a couple weeks later, you'll still kind of feel that really nice exfoliation part. And then we always recommend dermaplaning before a Hydrafacial to help the Hydrafacial kind of go deeper into the skin. That's a perfect duo, dermaplaning and a Hydrafacial. It helps, really get that exfoliation, that dead skin off, the dead skin cells off your face and the vellus hairs for sure. And it'll help your makeup, sunscreen products go on a lot smoother. And then your skincare products that you will do whenever, after your Hydrafacial treatment, they will penetrate a lot deeper because of the dermaplaning. So that's something that we would recommend. And then some tips to just kind of help maintain those results. Drink plenty of water, exercise regularly, avoid the tanning beds, eat a balanced diet, get plenty of sleep, and we really want to manage our stress. So, yeah.